Alright, hello YouTube and welcome back in. We're back to another bracelet video. In this bracelet video, we'll be doing an unboxing video. This package I got here. I think it will get delayed for a while, but I finally got it. So, yeah, I can open it that in. Oh yeah, I can. I want to try and do it without scissors, so I might need scissors later. My name card. Yeah. I know what the bracelet is. It is a bracelet. I mean, obviously, what else would it be? Yeah, they keep this stuff up pretty well. Yeah. I always have my new lamp, but you guys saw. Okay, got the label off. So maybe I can rip like the to the side. Let's see. Let my name is right in there. Okay. Oh, I don't wonder if being pointed on. Okay, I got this thing open. It's out. And you can hear just by it being taped like really good. What's this the okay, that's the Hawkeyes bracelet, and then it seems to me I've ripped the outlet. Yeah, I've ripped the receipt. I don't know. Yep. Looking for receipt. Really, that'd be good. So I don't really need it anyway. Anyway, the bracelet's in this little bag here. Probably like a rare one. There's another one like this, also from the Iowa Hawkeyes that has the same color, but it's like swirled. So that's a nice big bracelet. That's kind of a habit I can have nowadays, I think. See. And of course there's some yellow stuff on it. I don't know what that is, but I can try and get that off after the video, because I'm going to do the review another time. So yeah, you know, this is the Iowa Hawkeyes bracelet. So yeah, I'll upload this video for you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.